Hey guys, it's Billy D from Billy D Outdoors TV. Out here finna get at these squirrels, man, early this morning. This how you get at them, man. Out there walking through the woods, walking in circles. They seeing you before you get there and they running. That's not the way to squirrel hunt. Get out here before they creep up in the woods. Sit down on a bucket or a chair, whatever your preference is. Sit down, be still and quiet. Squirrels run all over you. You can shoot 5 or 6 before they know that the gig is up. Trust me. I'm waiting on my partner to get here. They was taking him too late, too long. I like to get up and I like to get moving. The sun ain't even came up yet. Now, if I was deer hunting, my crossbow is in the shop fixing to get worked on. That's why I haven't been deer hunting. That's why I had to do the squirrel hunting thing. But it's okay. But if I was deer hunting this morning, I would already be in my stand, because I would be hunting their bedding area right now, and I'd be waiting for them to come out my field back into their bedding area. You don't have to be an excellent hunter. You just have to be a smart hunter. And I'm not talking about a rocket scientist either. Just a little smarter than the animals that you're trying to catch. Dang saltwater trucks. I drive a saltwater truck. But when I'm hunting, I don't want to hear no damn saltwater truck. All right, guys, I'm finna get off this phone with y'all so I can creep down on these squirrels, man. I'll give it y'all later.